This is the perfect meal for when you solo, you single, you trying to cut the bread, get yourself some buttery lettuce. We are making a curry chicken salad. To start off, we're going to just take our chicken breast, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We got the shallots, we got a little bit of that butter. I'm gonna put the onion on here. We got some broth, a little bit of chicken broth to go into our pan. We got some celery salt, garlic powder, and then you just drop the butter in. And we're just gonna put this in the oven and we'll check on this very soon. There we go. And so I'm gonna put my aioli in here. We're gonna take that celery. We got a little bit of onion in the oven, but I like a little raw onion. I want that texture, I want that crunch. All you wanna do is add a little bit of oil to a pan, not too much, all right? We're gonna add our curry in and just bloom it a little bit. And what that does, it brings out the flavor and it protects you against Caribbean people who will beat you up if you don't cook your curry. There we go. Look at that. And that's it. Our curry is bloomed. I'm gonna add this into my mix as well. So we've got our mix ready. Our chicken has been in the oven. Look at that. I'm gonna cut this into cubes and not too big. Look how beautiful that chicken is. Look how beautifully it's cooked. Let's add this to our bowl. All right, and that should be good enough. Look how pretty it is, right? A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Now, at the very, very end, to prevent these from bursting and creating a red chicken salad, we just wanna add in our pomegranates and we're gonna fold these in, okay? Fold it in. And now we have our curry pomegranate chicken salad. When I thought about it, I said, what goes really well with chicken salad that's not craisins? And pomegranate just automatically came to mind. Another beautiful thing about this is that if you really want, you can make some lettuce wraps. Ain't that mad cute? Curry chicken salad with our leftover aioli and pomegranate. We are going to make a lettuce wrap like this. This is the perfect meal for when you solo, you single, you trying to cut the bread, get yourself some buttery lettuce. All right, I want you to see that. Come here, baby. So good.